Managing income from multiple revenue streams can seem overwhelming, but with the right strategy and tools, you can stay on top of your finances and make smarter decisions. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to do just that, efficiently manage and track income from various sources so you can focus on growth rather than confusion. Stick around to the end because I've got an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using to make this process easier. First off, let's talk about why managing income from multiple streams is crucial. The key is organization. You need to track where your money is coming from, how much is coming in, and how you're spending or reinvesting it. Without proper tracking, you'll quickly lose sight of what's working and what isn't. Trust me, I've tried the most popular tools out there, and I'll share the best one in the description below that will allow you to follow along and streamline your process. The first thing you need to do is categorize your revenue streams. Is your income coming from a business, investments, freelance work, or rental properties? Knowing exactly where your money is coming from makes it easier to set goals for each source. Categorizing helps you avoid mixing everything together, which can lead to confusion and mismanagement. Once your streams are categorized, it's time to track each one. This is where the right software comes into play. The software we'll be using helps you link all your income sources in one place, giving you a real-time overview. You'll be able to see what's performing well and what needs attention, all in one dashboard. It's key for making informed decisions on where to focus your efforts, whether it's scaling up one stream or cutting back on another. Next, set up regular check-ins to update your revenue tracking. You don't want to let months go by without reviewing your income. A monthly or even weekly review is important. This will help you identify trends, spot potential issues early, and ensure that no stream is getting neglected. With the right software, you can automate reminders and sync data from your different income streams, saving you time. Another important aspect is budgeting. You need to set aside money for taxes, savings, and reinvestment in your various revenue streams. This doesn't just keep your finances healthy. It ensures you're maximizing the potential of each income source. The software we're using also helps you build and stick to a budget so you never miss important financial milestones. And finally, once you've got all your streams organized and tracked, it's time to analyze the data. The software will break down your income into easy-to-read reports, which helps you understand what's driving the most profit and where you might be wasting money. With these insights, you can make smarter decisions to optimize your revenue streams. The key takeaway here is that managing income from multiple revenue streams isn't about juggling everything at once. It's about organizing, tracking, and making informed decisions based on data. Categorize your income, use the right tools to track and analyze, and make sure you're budgeting effectively. To recap, here's what you need to do. Categorize your income, track it with the right software, set regular check-ins, budget wisely, and analyze the data for better decision making. If you want to follow along with the software we've used in this tutorial, make sure to grab the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to take advantage of that free trial. See you in the next one.